Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be doing the unboxing for the June 2019 Ipsy Plus. If you are unfamiliar with Ipsy Glam Bag or Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is a $25 a month subscription. It comes with 4 to 5 full-size items, and I'm pretty sure the retail value is supposed to be $120 or above. And then there is regular Ipsy Glam Bag that has been around for forever. That is a $10 a month subscription for deluxe size items in a little makeup pouch. I will leave my link below for Ipsy Plus. As always, thank you for being here, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like, comment. I love feedback. I want to know what everybody gets in their boxes. I watch a ton of these videos. So stay tuned for the unboxing of. All right, so when you first open the box, this is what it looks like. It says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. Have some foam. Now I did get 3 add-ons, plus I cashed in points. So I do have a couple extra items in my box. I'm going to take down and put to the side, and I will show you guys them at the end. Got some good stuff. All right, and then in every box you do get this little pamphlet that says Block Party, and it tells you the full-size prices of everything and everything that came in your box. So let's get started. So the first thing that I see in my box is from Ciate London, and this is their Liquid Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick, and it is in the shade Pin Up. Now, I read online that this was an extremely universal shade. What I'm wearing right now, which is a Bite Beauty Nude, is typically what I go for, but I am trying to venture out with lipstick. So, the retail value on this is $19. Here is out of the packaging. I am going to go ahead and swatch this. All right, well, it definitely feels super creamy. That's what it looks like. Just gonna rub it a little bit. Seems like a really good formula. It might be a little too dark for me, but like I said, I am trying to venture out in the lipstick department and wear stuff that's a little bit more bold, so maybe in the end it will work out good. So that is my first item. The next item I see is Big Look Mascara from Pure Cosmetics. And this retails for $21. I'm the first person that I've seen actually get this in their box. I've watched a couple unboxing videos and I have not seen anyone else get this. So I kind of wanted it, but I thought it was going to be a little bit more common. For extra fanned out lashes, apply a coat of this mascara, then use the tip of the wand to lift your lashes up and out. So I do love Pure Cosmetics. I'm probably going to be using this soon, so I will open it just to see what the brush looks like. Right there. Short and spiky. Definitely not like anything that I have right now, so looking forward to it. And it is in black. The next item, I am super excited because it's by a company I love. It is the 111 Skin Vitamin C Brightening Serum. This is a full-size item and it retails for $180. Now, I have one that I got from somebody that got them in a pass box. I guess this was like a repeat item, but if you didn't get it before, you got it this time. Comes in a little glass container, and then it's like a little dropper. You can put it on your face right away for hyperpigmentation. I like to put it in my moisturizer. So I just like how you would put gravy in some mashed potatoes. I kind of just put a little bit of hole in my moisturizer, put a couple drops in there, and then put it on at night. definitely notice a little bit of brightening. I don't have dark spots. I don't really have hyperpigmentation, but I like the formula. I love the company. So I have been using my other bottle, and it lasts quite some time as well. Next is the Tetris collaboration with Ipsy, which is the eyeshadow palette. And I did get Block Party, which was the one I wanted. I am pretty obsessed with pink eyeshadow. So this is the packaging. And then this just have a mirror in it. And these eyeshadow pans are gigantic. Like, it's huge. Let me show that to you. Don't want to blind you. So this palette is 2 nude matte shades. The silver is pretty sparkly. The pink has a little sparkle in it. The blue and the purple are shimmery. I am just basically in love with this palette. It is all colors that I wear on an almost daily basis, except maybe the blue. But I have blue eyes. I'm a blonde. I feel like I will definitely be able to play with it. So I'm super excited about this. And it retails for $24. And the last thing in my box is from Tula. And it is their Major Glow Cooling and Brightening Sheet Masks. And it's $26 for a set of 3. And they did give you a set of 3 in a nice cute little bag. Masks. I have not really tried anything out from this brand, but a cooling and brightening mask sounds really nice. I do go UV tanning, so and sometimes my face does get a little red. I like to go to the beach. I mean, I just like to be outside. I live in Rochester, New York. It's freaking freezing here, like 9.5 months out of the year. So when it is actually nice, I do like to be outside. So on a day that I get some extra sun, I feel like these masks will be great. And I did say they retail for $26. All right. I have a couple of add-ons as well. The first thing that I got, so I got 3 $3 add-ons. So the first one is this 2-step sheet mask. I have not done a 3-step sheet mask. I have not done any of the ones with steps in it. I just do the regular sheet mask. Oh, and then it is a 2-pack. Has a pink guy and a blue guy. So says aqua hydration, and the other one, and I think these came in the regular Ipsy bag. Oh yes, so NA hyaluronic aqua hydration and vitamin B3 lemon extract and anti-melia. So those are cool. I got another item from the Tetris and Ipsy collaboration. I got a lip gloss in, maybe it's on it. Shade name. Nope, in green cap. That is what it looks like. It's a pretty iridescent gloss. I got it to put over my matte lipsticks. I'm not the biggest matte fan on the planet. Actually, I'll put it over my hand, and then I will put it over the lip gloss that I already have on my hand. So yeah, there's really not much to it. It's just kind of a light gloss, but I don't like the dryness of matte lipsticks. Like, they look nice, but I like to put stuff over them. So, all right, and then the last $3 item I got is from Langine and is their Waterbank Moisture Cream. I'm obsessed with this stuff. I've gotten it in a million subscription boxes. Just comes in a little tube. I put it on before I put my primer on, before I put my makeup on. It smells good. It's great. I'm just pretty much obsessed with it. And then I cashed in 600 of my Ipsy points for this 111 Skin Space Defense Bright Eye Lift Gel. Like I said before, I am in love with this brand, and definitely wanted to try out another one of their products. I did get in my FabFitFun this month, I got the 111 Skin face masks, and I am currently using their face serum. So I'm just a big fan of this brand. So that is everything that I got in my box. What do you guys think? I'm pretty excited. I mean, for a $25 box, when you get a $180 product that you're going to use, it's beyond worth it. If it's not something you're going to use, I'm a sheet mask junkie, so 3 sheet masks, an eyeshadow palette, a full-size mascara. I mean, you have to think in the end, you're only paying $5 for each item. So it's like, would you pay $5 for it? Yes or no? I feel like I would pay $5 for every item that I got in this box. So I am super excited. Thanks again. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. I do plenty of unboxing videos, and I'm going to try to get into sneak peeks and some first looks and makeup try-ons. So, thank you and bye.